Heading towards downtown. I'm gonna be doing another series of time lapses. See what we can do. I'm here down by the river, right by the funds. Hey, got my camera set up. It's shooting every second for 10 minutes. That should give me around 600 pictures that I'm gonna turn into a time lapse. The time lapse has been going for about 3 minutes now. I'm about to bust out with the Mavic and see what can we get. Craziest thing just happened. I flew my drone a couple minutes ago, and out of nowhere, maybe like 50 freaking seagulls came out of nowhere and started swimming towards my drone. It's a crap load of them up there somewhere. But anyways, it's time to move. I was just thinking to myself, how much it would suck if I fell in that water. It's funny how I got my tripod set up back there, and there's obviously people walking back and forth. Every time they go by my camera and hear the clicking noise, they duck down or look at me with this freaking lost face like, oh God, am I supposed to be in the shot? Is it okay if I walk through? Yeah, man, sounds like my second time lapse of the day is done. I'm gonna move on to my second or third spot. Last time lapse of the day. All done with the time lapses now, so I'm heading back to my car to go with the fonts. Very nice. It's a little windy, but if you bundle up, it should be all right. After all, you're from Wisconsin, so this is shorts and bikini weather. So I just got back to my truck. Sure enough, downtown Milwaukee fucking below.